if I told you the biggest risk to your engineering team is not lack of talent, not lack of tools, but knowledge trapped in one person's head? Think about that for a second. In telecom and enterprise engineering environments, we often celebrate the go-to person, the engineer who knows everything, solves everything, and saves the day. But here's the uncomfortable truth. If your system depends on one person, your system is already broken. Imagine this. It's 2:07 a.m. A critical network outage hits. Alarms are firing. Customers are complaining. Revenue is dropping by the minute. The team jumps in, but the one engineer who understands this exact issue is unavailable. Suddenly, what should have been a 20-minute fix turns into a 4-hour crisis. Not because the team is not capable, but because the knowledge was never shared. This is where mentorship and knowledge transfer become not just important, but absolutely critical. Let's break it down simply. Mentorship is not just about guiding someone's career. It's about teaching engineers how to think, how to troubleshoot, and how to make decisions. Knowledge transfer, on the other hand, is about making sure that what one person knows becomes what the entire team can use. When these two work together, something powerful happens. Teams become faster, systems become more reliable, and leaders become truly impactful in telecom environments like NOC operations, field engineering, or network optimization. Problems are rarely textbook. You deal with complex failures, vendor inconsistencies, and real-time pressure. A good mentor doesn't just say, run this command. They say, here's why we're running this command. Here's what we're looking for. And here's how to think if it doesn't work. Let's talk about what happens when knowledge is not shared first. You get the hero engineer syndrome. One person becomes indispensable. Sounds great until they burn out or leave. Then you have repeated mistakes, different engineers solving the same problem over and over again, from scratch. And worst of all, slow incident resolution. Now here's the part most people overlook. Mentorship and knowledge sharing are not just nice to have, they directly improve engineering productivity and reduce escalations. Let me give you a quick case. A telecom NOC team was struggling with constant escalations. Leadership introduced weekly mentorship and proper documentation within months. Escalations dropped significantly. Engineers became more confident. Network issues were resolved faster. Knowledge stopped being individual and became collective. How do you become a better mentor? Learn to explain things simply. Share real experiences. Your failures are more valuable than any textbook. Encourage thinking, not memorization. Document what matters. Even simple notes can save hours. And be patient. Great engineers are developed, not rushed. Here's the mindset shift. Stop asking, how do I prove I'm the smartest? Start asking, how do I make my team smarter? Telecom networks will keep evolving. 5G, cloud networks. Complexity will only increase. No single person can know it all. But a well-mentored team? That's unstoppable. So here's a question. If you step away today, does your team struggle or do they thrive? Share and subscribe for more insights on building high-performing teams.